So hi folks, in this video I'm gonna show you the pathway towards the Sokolitsa rock formation, from where we will see amazing, spectacular, stunning mountain views. I've been coming from there, and the pathway is absolutely lovely with roots and kind of cobblestones fallen down from the rock naturally, and it's full of life here, all kinds of trees, moss, lichen, and of course it's getting hard to climb, but it's getting more and more interesting. Wow, this is very strong rock formation. This rock, you can see one little pine tree here, and lovely. Wow, it's getting very dangerous out there. Oh, and at the back you can see already we have some little views. And now let's continue up there. It's amazing. I love this kind of pathways with moss and little spruce and little pine trees. This is a place where mountain goats are living, folks. Just amazing. Yep. Now I'm gonna be more careful.